In this video, I will present how to convert CSV file into Shapefile. First, we open the ArcMap. Then we add data. Here we add CSV file. Now our Shapefile is added. Now we right click on this and click on display XY data. Now here we add its coordinate system. Here I click this, then click on OK. Now our CSV file is added. Now we want to convert this CSV file into shapefile. So we click on data and export data. Now we click on OK. Yes. Now our data is converted into shapefile. Thank you.